Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kraken account on iPhone, secure guide step by step clearly. To log into your Kraken account on your iPhone, start by ensuring that you have the Kraken app installed. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Use the search bar to find the Kraken app. Download and install the app if you haven't done so already. Once installed, locate the Kraken app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to launch it. On the welcome screen, you will see the option to log in. Tap the Login button. Enter your email address associated with your Kraken account. After entering your email, tap Next. Now, input your password in the designated field. Double-check to ensure your password is entered correctly. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter the code sent to your authentication method. Input the code and tap Verify. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Take a moment to review your account information and security settings. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. Always ensure you are connected to a secure internet connection while accessing your account. For added security, consider enabling biometric login options like Face ID or Touch ID. Now you are ready to use your Kraken account on your iPhone safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.